Each year, in the middle of the Pacific Ocean on a tiny Hawaiian island called Kauai, students from 4 rival high schools come together to form an alliance. They put their heads together and, using their own designs and working with sophisticated software and hardware, build a robot to compete in a national science and technology sports championship. They are called Kauaibots. Through a mentorship program, students get to work side by side with professional software and technology engineers, machinists, and designers, building a robot of their own design while working on the cutting edge of science and art. They receive a kit of parts made up of motors, batteries, a control system, and a simple PC, and a mix of automation components, but no instructions. They invent it as they go. They have just 6 weeks to design it, build it, program it, and test it. Then they ship it off to the regional competition with the hope of earning a place in the World Championships. The contest is a full-blown sporting event where teams battle for 2 days of spirited competition, cooperation, and camaraderie.
I think the biggest thing that we're teaching our kids is problem solving and critical thinking.
And you learn things that you really wouldn't learn anywhere else.
I've always liked to do things like machine shop type things, so it's kind of how I got started.
I think we're giving an opportunity for the students on Kauai to enter into the global marketplace, hopefully go train at a school someplace, and then bring high technology thinking processes back to Kauai and building from within.
I'm looking into engineering, or actually being involved in robotics got me involved in public relations too. So
This robotics program influenced what school you're going to pick?
It did. Manoa actually is one of the top engineering schools. It's in the top 4 engineering schools in the nation.
Oh, fantastic.
Every year we learn something. We learn little things about safety. We learn big things about teamwork and cooperation and engineering and what it means when you have a problem, how you go about solving it. And the kids, they get so fired up because the competition's so exciting, and it's a new game every year, and they take what they learned last year and they put it to work, and then they get their friends involved, and it just grows, and it gets better and better every year.
But the most rewarding moment
you can see kids' lives change. I've seen at least 3 kids' lives change in front of me from that. What a great feeling to know that it had an effect, that this experience had an effect on them for the rest of their life.